Hello viewers, in this video we are going to perform two things. One, MS Word fitting of multiple pages into a single page in one click, and the second feature of window automatic word suggestion, just like we do typing in our mobile. Now let's go for automatic fitting of multiple pages into a single page. This is a text more than one page, so let me share you first. We mostly go and reduce spaces in between the lines or smaller the words, so let's leave it. Just go and click this small arrow sign and come down to more commands, click on it, and now let's go and open this, and in place of popular command, all commands, select this. Now click inside this and click S. Now let's move down and shrink one page, click on it. Now let's add it, OK, and it's done. The shortcut has been made at the top. Now let's just click, and with a single click all the text is converged into a single page. Now to remove this, let's once again go to the small arrow, more commands, click on shrink to one page and click remove. OK, now this feature is once again gone. Now let's move for another thing, which is automatic word suggestion, just like we type in mobile. So click or type typing setting in your window, and typing settings, when it open, just open multiple text and show text on these two buttons. And now let's check. When you type, window or MS Word will give you suggestion of multiple words. It's a very good feature, and spell mistake is reduced. You can select the words through arrow keys or with the help of your mouse. Now let's remove it. Go once again, typing settings, and in typing settings, of these two buttons, show text suggestion when typing, multiple text suggestion of these two buttons once again, and the feature of automatic word suggestion will be no more. Now I am typing, but it's not suggesting any word. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.